Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore audio playback with React Native TrackPlayer step by step clearly. Begin by setting up a new React Native project using the command line. Use the command npx React Native and it your project name. Once your project is created, navigate into your project directory. Install the React Native TrackPlayer library by running npm install React Native TrackPlayer. Next, link the library to your project by executing npx React Native link React Native TrackPlayer. Now, open your main project file, typically app.js. Import the TrackPlayer module at the top of your file with import TrackPlayer from React Native TrackPlayer. Create a new async function called setupPlayer. Inside setupPlayer, initialize TrackPlayer with await TrackPlayer.setupPlayer. Define your audio track object, specifying properties like ID, URL, and title. Add the track to the player using await TrackPlayer.add track object. To handle audio playback actions, create functions for play, pause, and stop. Implement the play function to call await TrackPlayer.play. For the pause function, implement await TrackPlayer.pause. For stopping playback, use await TrackPlayer.stop. Inside useEffect, ensure to call setupPlayer to initialize the player when your component mounts. To manage player state, utilize React's useState and useEffect to track the player's current position. Add event listeners using TrackPlayer.addEventListener for playback events like playback state. In the event handler, define what should happen when the state changes, such as updating UI elements. Finally, ensure to clean up any listeners when the component unmounts. With these steps complete, you should have a working audio playback system in your React Native app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.